Hello and welcome. This video will guide you on the installation and servicing of Panasonic new inverter air conditioner using R410A refrigerant easily and safely. Please follow these simple instructions carefully. First, you need to know that installing and servicing Panasonic inverter air conditioners using R410A refrigerant is different compared to our conventional R22 refrigerant. Never charge R410A refrigerant into a tank where R22 refrigerant was previously used, and vice versa. When using R410A refrigerant, never reuse the same piping used for R22 refrigerant. This installation process chart will guide us throughout the installation process. To ensure optimum safety, you must understand the various tools which are necessary to be used for installation and servicing purpose. To install the Panasonic inverter air conditioner using R410A refrigerant, you'll need a level gauge, copper tube cutter, reamer, flaring tool, flaring top gauge, gas leak tester, vacuum pump, digital scale and thermometer, as well as manifold gauge, torque wrench, R410A refrigerant cylinder. All the above-mentioned tools are essential to ensure a smooth and proper installation process.